Hello, I'm Hayden Van Wienen from Fine & Country, North Buckinghamshire, and welcome to Rectory Farmhouse here in the most sought after and popular village of Loughton here in Milton Keynes. If you'd like to follow me, I'll show you around. Thank you. Rectory Farmhouse boasts over 4,500 square feet, and this stunning property has been sympathetically and tastefully restored by our clients and much improved. An entire restoration, internally and externally, of a Grade 2 listed building, the majority of which dates back 400 years ago. The historic house has been brought back to life with all original materials. Also, it now has the luxury of added modern amenities to include underfloor heating throughout, Loughton lighting system, expensive security system, luxury bathrooms and kitchen, and retaining fireplaces in many rooms. The kitchen is my favourite room for its layout and size, with a bespoke Jane Chill kitchen including Wolf range cooker and butler sinks, cooker hot tap, marble worktops, built-in fridges and more. It's a great space for entertaining and has large sliding doors to the garden. The central island has enough room for 8 stools for eating and socialising, and the kitchen also has a formal dining space, wood-burning stove and lounge area. Our client's favourite feature is the size of the rooms in the house, with high ceilings, very bright and light, many fireplaces and great views to the garden and countryside beyond. Loughton Village has always been a very sought after area, and it's so rare to see a property come on the market, let alone a magnificent house such as this one that seems to be one of the most iconic period properties in the area. Loughton Village is one of the most historical parts of Milton Keynes and is in walking distance of central Milton Keynes and train station. It is quite surreal given the contrast. Thank you for watching this video tour of Rectory Farmhouse here in Loughton Village. If you are looking for a stunning family home of 4,500 square feet with ample off-road car parking, garaging and outbuildings, and only a 6-minute walk from Milton Keynes railway station, then please do contact me personally, Hayden Van Wienen, with the contact details to follow. Thanks very much for watching.